the discharge rates and charging rates are very fast. We can charge an EV around it 20 to 25 minutes with a
Mm-hmm.
range of 600 kilometers.
Mm-hmm.
So we are working on that one.
Okay. So I'm talking about the team experience discussion, right? So
Yes,
what
sir.
happened? So did you had any arguments or discussions?
Yes, sir. We had arguments around these graphene, uh, those techniques, how we can, and there are some. We raised questions on each other that how
Mm-hmm.
we can produce, we can do on literature survey or
Okay. So finally, did you come out with any agreement?
yes, sir.
Okay. So what was the challenging? What was the challenging for the team?
So now everybody has a different view on a subject around this batteries topic. So at conclude after the discussion around 2.5 hours, we came to a conclusion that we can work on a specific topic, so we can go further into more deep into those, so we can succeed.
Okay. So was there any person who was dominating the discussion? Was there any person who was just playing a soft role?
Sure, nobody, sir. Just we are 3 members. We are from friends around some 6 years around. So there is no software with three or just uh, telling our views on those and also raising questions on each other, so we can get more information on that specific question.
Okay. So did you punch
So
anyone?
no, sir.
Okay, no punching. Okay.
Yeah.
But I have seen people punching in meetings, even at the
No, sir.
general manager level. Okay. And I'm sure you might have seen in TV9, ABN, all other TV channels, right? Going and doing punching, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is one of the very important quality to collaborate with a team and work with a team.
Yes,
And
sir.
it is one of the biggest challenges for engineers. It's not the technical, right? It is not the
Yes,
process, but it is the teamwork makes very difficult to work, because every human being is different, right? So we are not Sadgurus, we are not Ravi Shankars, we are not Babas, right? We are a general, a public and a common human being. So even we will get angry, right? So it all happens in any team discussion. But the key here is to not to punch, of course. Key here to understand the argument.
yes, sir. That's the key.
Okay, that is the key. So don't go by a personal trait, right? So understand the point from other side, than imposing your opinion, right? Opinion,
Yes,
because our opinion could be wrong, right?
yes, sir.
So we in a team, what happens? We make certain assumptions. Actually, if any product fails, or for example, there is a rocket is launched recently, there was a crash. So it is not the rocket failed, but the assumptions made by the scientist have failed.
Yeah.
I'm sure in your high school, whenever you make an experiment, first you write what is the aim, then you make assumptions. What are the assumptions you are making? So if your assumption fails, your project fails. So as a team, everyone's responsibility is to question the assumption. What? The question the assumption, not the person. So if you question to a person, then it becomes personal. But if you question the assumption, it is not personal. So we need to evolve to argue on the assumptions.
Around 2 hours, we argued only on the assumptions, sir. How they questioned me and me questioned them. So around half an hour only we discussed the to share the knowledge. Around 2 hours we took on this questioning the assumptions only.
Excellent, excellent. So I would like to again thank you, Abhinay, for your nice discussion. I would like to go to someone else. Is anyone here who would like to share your experience during the goal setting process? Volunteers, please. This is an opportunity. Someone says, volunteer, you should go and grab the opportunity. Even this happens in the interview process, in the group discussion. So grab the opportunity, okay? Because that makes you stand different in the group. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Rasool.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Hi, how are you?
Alhamdulillah. Good, good. How are you? Yeah.
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah. Could you please share your experience?
We went through a lot of discussions, sir, and arguments. It's such a mind block.
Mm-hmm.
There
Okay.
came a lot of ideas on app development, software development, and finally we came to a conclusion on software development.
Mm-hmm.
And we went through so many websites
Mm-hmm.
like Infosys and some TCS,
Mm-hmm.
other companies.
Mm-hmm.
So finally, my aim is to get through Infosys, sir. So uh, I went through the websites of Infosys, what they are preparing, how they are preparing, how they are doing.
Mm-hmm.
So finally, I came up with a software application to develop a software application.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. And we made discussions, and they are fine with it, and we are going with it.
Very good. So it's a different kind of experience, right?
Yes, sir.
And this happens quite often. I'm sorry, because I'm working and talking to you, so my apologies. There
Okay,
is
sir.
Edwin here. Edwin, yeah, we got a co-host. Okay, Edwin, are you here? Hello. Okay. Is anyone here again to share some a bad experience? So far, the two experiences were good, right? But I want a team which could not make a decision. Which it was the discussion. Say, imagine it was a disaster. Nothing wrong. Okay, nothing wrong. So, can you please give some examples here? Is anyone? Is any team want to volunteer and discuss their disastrous argument? Anyone here? I doubt if no one. I'm sure many. Hello. I don't believe there is no team here which was not disastrous. Hello. I'm waiting. So there was no team where there was no disaster of discussing. Okay, I got somebody here. Serena Razan. Yes, go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
This is
afternoon,
Serena.
Serena. Yeah.
Actually, sir, we are a group of 4 members and all are from the same department. We all are doing like we are the same class, but then all have dream companies as completely different. Some wants to get into robotics, some wants to get into the mechanic companies. Like I want to work in power plants. So it was very difficult deciding it But then we ended up taking a common topic, which like literally no one is interested to get into it. But since we have to do something, so finally we decided to do something in railways. So we have thought of designing and some new railway systems which are already existing, but with a quite modulation.
Excellent. Thank you, Serena. Thank you for your guts. This is what required. Okay. Doesn't matter whether you're on a right or a common agreement or not. So agree with the disagreement. Please make the line. Agree with the disagreement. Okay. This is very important for engineers. If you don't agree on disagreement, this is where happens punches. Okay? So it goes on personality. So agree with the disagreement. Very good. Very good, Serena. Is anyone here? Okay, Mohammed, go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Tell me.
Sir, firstly we have joined the team, sir. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Firstly, we have joined the team and we make a lot of decisions, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I was given different ideas and my friend in group given different ideas.
Mm-hmm.
Firstly, we have to decide to work on the EV
Mm-hmm.
and we make a lot of decisions in EV and finally we have. Hello.
Okay, go ahead. I'm listening. Yeah.
And finally we have overcome the problems in the EVs and we finally decided to work on EV.
Mm-hmm.
So can you suggest some minor ideas to increase the efficiency in EVs?
Next week, we are going to start thinking about the project. Okay. Starting next week, we will work on it. Now,
Okay.
About the team dynamics. So today it is the team dynamics. We are going to understand each other. Now I'm going to give you everyone 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds to introduce yourself and what was the goal you decided. Right, 15 to 30 seconds, and you can go by. Okay, one by one. I think you are seeing my desktop starting from Sai Teja. So everyone be ready, 15 seconds, right? Your goal, okay? Yes, Sai Teja.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
The question what you asked, I didn't get you. So we have to tell that what we are gonna do for a project.
Yeah. No. First is the goal. What, right? Did you set the goals? So
yes,
what
sir.
was
Just now, Serena spoke to you. She was our teammate, sir.
Oh, okay. She was your teammate. So tell me about your team. So Sai, Serena, and who else?
Akhil and Uttam, sir.
Very good. So now you found a common goal, and you want to work in railways.
Railways.
Very good. Are you happy?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Very good. Yeah. Abhinay, I think just now spoke. Umani. Hello. Snehita. So quickly, if you just 10-15 seconds tell about your goal, everyone, so that you get familiar with the names. Snehita.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So everyone, please tell quickly, right? What was your goal? Any company you want to work for?
We want to work in DRDL, sir, to design a missiles. So we have 5 members in our team.
Okay.
So we all want to do and design
Excellent.
engineering.
Excellent. So you are ready.
Yeah, we are ready.
Great. Okay. Nisar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Nisar Ahmad.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, myself Nisar Ahmed from VNR VJIT, and we have three members in our team. and we are interested in designing field, and we are actually wanted to work for space agencies, sir. I mean, like fly.
Good luck. Good luck. Okay, we'll go back to Nikita. Yeah, quickly. Nikita. Okay, come back to Ganesh Balaji. Ganesh. Hello, Ganesh. Hello, Ganesh. Shivaji. Hello, Shivaji. Are you here? Are you able to hear me? I'm not getting any answers here.
Sir, Ganesh Bal is of my team, so already we discussed.
Yeah, okay, you already discussed, but where is Ganesh?
I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, sir. I'm still there. Just the microphone issue.
Okay, good, good. Rasul spoke to us. Preeti. 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 Geeta. Madhavika. Lakshmi Prasanna. MD Moin. Are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Good
go
afternoon,
ahead.
sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is MD Moisa, and I'm from electrical department. And we have joined a team of 5 members. There are different group departments like Mech, ECE, CSE, and automobile, sir. And
So, yeah.
finally, we decided a project on EV. Like Mudassir is our teammate, sir. Mohammad Mudassir.
Very good, very good. Arifa. 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 Okay, Sudeshna. Sudeshna.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, we have not yet discussed the topic, but we are still working on our topic. So we consist of 4 members. So we'd like to design something, and we have a computers department candidate in our group. So we thought of designing a product and giving it a coding it and so we thought of implementing in some different way. We have not yet discussed the topics. We are still working on the topic.
Okay, it's that's fine. But are you clear about your goal? What exactly, where you want to work? What kind of engineer you want to be?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So we'll go to. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Go ahead, Arifa.
Sir, this is Arifa.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir, I didn't listen you.
You know, this is one of the tricks.
I forgot to unmute, sir.
Yeah. This is one of the trick. I want everyone to be attentive. Okay. That is reason now I'm doing.
Sir, I forgot to unmute, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. Go ahead. Tell me about your goal and your project.
Sir, my name is Arifa and I'm a computer programming student at College of Gitanjali. My goal is to develop an app or web designing on myself, and I want to work in Google company, sir.
Very good. Very good. All the best. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Think big. Okay. Think big. Very good.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next. Madhavika.
Hello, sir.
Oh, you want to? Okay, go
Hello,
ahead.
sir.
Sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sir, my name is Chandrasekhar, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I'm studying second year CSC in Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Go ahead. I'm listening. Go ahead.
Hello, sir. I'm studying in Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology, sir.
Where is Geetanjali, by the way?
My goal is becoming an Android web developer, sir.
Chandrasekhar, where is
Hello,
Geetanjali?
sir?
Where is Geetanjali College?
Sir, Nellore district, sir. Kovur.
Okay, Nellore. Thank you.
Sir, my goal is becoming an Android web developer, sir. Like
Mm-hmm.
registration. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Nagasai. Nagasai. Quickly, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead.
My name is Ashwan, sir.
Okay.
So we are a team of 4 members. Nagasai, Ashwan, and Adil, Sai Kaushik. We are working as a team, sir.
What's your goal?
We are working on smart city, sir.
Excellent.
Yesterday we discussed about what is the qualities that a smart city should need. That means it should be automatic in traffic and also in municipality wide. Also we discussed the areas and issues and problems we discussed yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And I am from Tribly background, sir, and Adil is from mechanical, and Sai Kaushik and Nagsai are civil engineers, sir.
Very good. Very good, Ashwan. Yeah.
And
excellent.
I am from Geetanjali Engineering College, sir. And Nagasai and Sai Kaushik is from RVR and JC Guntur, sir. And Adil is from mechanical and VVIT Guntur, sir.
Very good. So you have a very good team, virtual team. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Excellent. Yeah. So it is one of the core developing area. Meantime, I will be sharing. So, in North America, because I lived in North America many times, so I will be giving more examples because most of items you may not be aware. The train drivers there, they are engineers. Engineers drive locomotives in Canada.
Okay, sir.
Right? And it's a high demanding job.
Oh no, we have Article students right now.
Right? So, but the graduate students in Canada, they work for railways and they drive locomotives. You know how long the locomotives will be? Because Canada is such a big country and they go one end to another end and go through the snow, minus 40, minus 50 degrees centigrade. Right? So you need a guy who can understand the technical and also other aspects. So literally the engineers drive locomotives, and it's a very prestigious job, like driving aeroplanes, right? So aeroplanes who becomes pilots, they're highly qualified. Similarly, even the locomotives are like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Yes. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Good luck. Who is going next?
We'll take your suggestions, valuable suggestions from you, sir.
Yes. Anyone would like to share? I have 2 more minutes. Then I'm going to start a brief lecture on it. So I understand everyone is clear about, not clear, at least partially understand the goal setting process, and you understand what company you want to join. So slowly you're trying to be a good employee for the company, and in the process you're developing your career. So this is the objective of this internship. The first day and second and third day today, so we are trying to form the teams. See how difficult this process is. and it's a virtual, right? So if you're in a class, all 100 are in a class, then it's very easy. And now I'm somewhere, you are somewhere, and we are trying to work as a team. And this is, of course, the beauty of this internship. We are going to start the project next week. And I have scheduled for an industrial webinar on Friday, but unfortunately still Mr. Suresh Kumar, the general manager, he's not confirmed on Friday, but I'm sure whether Friday or Saturday or maybe Sunday. So he may come and give a lecture. He's one of the manufacturing expert. He's going to do a case study of a product, how they develop the product. Okay, it will be a very good opportunity for you to understand the actual senior engineer giving a case study. Okay, it could be on Sunday evening. So he was telling me Sunday evening 6 p.m. I'm not sure how comfortable it is. I think because Sunday is a holiday, most of you are available on Sundays evening. I understand no classes from the college on Sundays. So Sunday 6 p.m. So mark your calendar for Sunday. So Friday, unfortunately, I just came to know he's not available.
Hello, sir. How do we register that webinar, sir?
It will be same like the Zoom. I will send you the Zoom link, and you register and join. Okay. Okay, great.
Okay, sir.
So how many of you have sent the daily task form? Now I see total 90 students. Even yesterday it was 100.